Hey besties. Okay, so I know it's been a while, and I promise y'all I'm so sorry, but life been lifing, and I got a whole story time of what's been going on in my life. But I did want to take the time to give y'all an update on my braces. I'm currently at my dental office right now, and I'm waiting to go in, so I have a few minutes to chat with y'all. I'm actually early today. See, I'm trying to get my life together for y'all, but I do want to give y'all an update. I currently right now I'm waiting to go in. My teeth are good. Everything is good so far. I still have my 4 temporary porcelain veneers in. My only issue is why I have not taken out my braces, because I was due my 2 years, whereas actually in March, I believe. The reason why I haven't taken it out yet is because I do have this spacing right here. Like right here. It's kind of down here. So I'm trying to get my bite down. So once I have that down pack, I'll be able to actually take it out. So I've requested for them to keep it on there until I have it down. So that's the only thing I'm waiting on. Once I'm done with that, we're actually going to go ahead and get my permanent veneers in and shine them babies up, and I'll be good to go. So I'm really excited. So today I think she's just gonna take a look at them. She may make a little adjustment to the bracket, which she's done the last appointment, and I'll just change my my rubber band colors. That's about it. I'm kind of so used to my braces now. I kind of feel weird when it's time to take it out. I'm like, oh my God, I don't know how I'm going to look without my braces. But I'm trying to, you know, take it a day at a time. I am nervous about taking them off, but I think I got it. I love the overall look of my braces. Don't get me wrong. I don't know how I'm going to look without the brackets, which is why I think I'm more fearful about taking it off. Because it's like, these are my babies now. I've had these things in for March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 months. Oh my God. No, 24, 12, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 months. Child, boo, over 2 years. But either way, it's like part of who I am now. I eat anything, the maintenance is there, and nothing really hurts. Like if they adjust the brackets, I'll be honest, I did have a slight headache when she adjusted this bracket. She was like, oh, you're gonna hate me in the morning. And yeah, I didn't hate her in the morning, I hated her that night. I was already in pain. But other than that, it's actually been really cool. Nothing else has happened, honestly. I've just been coming in. I'm due to take it off. The only reason why I haven't taken them off, to be honest with you, now when people get braces, it's like they tell you, oh, you know, it's cute or whatever the case may be. And I've always heard people struggle with their brackets, but I'm like, I got this. It's really not that deep. Baby, it's that deep, okay? Because yeah, my braces honestly have not come off yet, because I still have not worn my brackets like I'm supposed to. Not my brackets, my rubber bands like I'm supposed to. So I did make a promise to my orthodontist that I would wear it for 30 days because she said it would bring the bite down. She's not lying. It did bring the bite down. Although I used to have a slight headache when I used to put on this rubber band, which is why I didn't wear it. And she made a slight adjustment to the bracket itself, which is now allows the bite to close down a little bit more. So I'm going to ask for another additional 30 days because I think it's actually coming down really nicely. And then by next month, hopefully, if it's as good as it gets, I'll do that. I spent too much money on my teeth for me to just rush and take them off. So I'm not really in a rush to take it off until, like she said, when it gets to where I want it, I'll be willing to take it off. But other than that, that's all it is to it, y'all. I can't Tia Camp y'all right now. But I like it. I'll take y'all in, show y'all little clips of what's going on, but that's about it, y'all. Catch y'all. Thank you. Hey.
What do you got now?
Teal, my usual.
Don't forget my X-ray, please. Don't forget my X-ray, please. Whenever you want.
Aren't you in pain?
Huh?
walking right back to the doctor.
No.
So you're.
But I did what I said I was gonna do.
Yeah.
It's getting better.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
So do you want
Yeah.
to do one
Try
more
it.
Yeah.
before scan?
Can we do another
I
one?
saw. Yeah.
You know what? This side, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
This side needs a little bit of work.
Yeah.
I want you to wear the elastic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of like this little like box.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah.
When she got it on camera.
I see it. No, right here,
Yeah.
right here. It's 4. I
Yeah.
see it. Here,
Yeah.
here, here, here.
Keep
It's-
wearing this one.
Uh-huh.
I mean, this one's good. I'm very happy.
Mm-hmm.
But just 1, 2, 3, 4.
And wear this one, the triangle, like I
Yeah,
normally do right
yeah.
there. Mm-hmm.
But it
It's
looks
definitely changing.
beautiful.
So just retie,
Yeah.
bottoms
Beautiful.
or singletized.
Like,
tops.
I want to use your case on our website. Like, you look amazing.
I love it.
Yes.
But I was gonna say I keep forgetting how drastic of a change it kind of was.
It
since
is.
started.
Let me tell
I don't know how to
y'all.
pull up the pictures, but
For my birthday, I people were posting me. They had like older pictures, and people were in my DM. They was like, "Oh my God, I forgot you had a gap. I see why you closed." I'm like, I'm telling y'all, everyone's so used to seeing me like this,
Yes.
but forgot that I had like this large gap. The tooth was twisted here.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
That was great.
Look at me now.
You know you're my first patient I started here.
Yeah, I
You're
remember.
already finishing up. It's crazy. It was
Yeah,
already 2 years ago.
over 2 years.
Yeah, because it was March.
March.
was my 2 years. That's
Yeah.
when you started, like either March or shortly after.
Yeah, you went through the whole journey.
That's crazy. But now I'm very happy with your results. But hot
Yeah.
pink, when you get your pink going,
All right.
you got enough rubber bands.
Yes, I do. All right, y'all. So that was my dental appointment. I'm trying to get in the car, but it's getting towards the end, and I'm telling y'all, I'm so nervous. My hair is all over the place. I was laying down. Y'all know that. But I'm so nervous because next month in November, I'm actually gonna get my scans for, was it my retainers? Your girl is about to be done with this journey, y'all. How y'all feeling? Your girl is about to be bracelets. But I'm about to put my rubber bands back in now. So we're changing the direction of my rubber bands. We're going from here, 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 here. Like this. What shape is that? I don't remember, but yeah. So I'm very excited. We're gonna do that. Then I know I have to go pick my shade for my retainers. I was gonna whiten my teeth, but honestly, I don't think I'm gonna do it because I do not want to weaken my enamel. I want my teeth healthy. I don't want any more issues. I spent a lot of money on my teeth and I'm done. But anyways, y'all, enough rambling. We can talk about teeth later on, but I need to drive. I gotta go to work. I got stuff to do. So that is the journey. That's where we're at. I love my smile. I really do. I really, really do. This is honestly the best decision that I made because I waited so long. When I was younger, I always wanted braces. My parents, y'all seen the video. I will tag the video of why I decided to get braces, but for a very long time, I stalled on getting it, and I wish I would have done it when I was younger. I think I would have had a better experience with life as I was younger because I was always so self-conscious about it, and it caused me, like, there's a lot of things I didn't take advantage of. Like, I hated doing my HR presentations in person because I felt like people were just so staring down my mouth. But now, baby, y'all haven't seen me do this in forever. Okay, I don't do this anymore. I used to talk like this when I used to talk to people, when I used to laugh like now I do yeah, donkey mouth and all. I don't care, y'all gonna see all his teeth. Okay, but yeah, so if you're thinking about getting braces, girl, don't worry about how old you are, girl or guy. I think males also, there's this perception where they don't, probably don't have to get it, or there's no need for it. Like, girls are more into the cosmetic things, but sir, if you don't like your teeth, go get it fixed. Okay, go get it fixed. You don't like your face, your skin, go to the dermatologist. Like, do what you need to do so you can be comfortable and secure in who you are. Anyways, I'm out. Enough rambling. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm back. I'm so excited to be back with y'all. Drop a comment if you miss me. Drop a comment if you plan on getting braces this year. Like, what's your goals for this year? What we doing for 2025?